Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to fix your camera keeps turning off when you open it, or your camera keeps shut down when you open it automatically. So I will show you guys 5 different methods to fix this problem, and fifth method definitely work for you. So go to Windows search and type device manager and open your device manager, and here you need to just search for the universal serial bus controller. So when you find it, you have to just double click on that and you will see the many drivers like this. So you can just open that one by one. So you can just open the first and go to the power management you are seeing on the last, and here you can untick this option of allow the computer to turn off the device and click on the OK. And now you can open the second, and there is no option of power management, so you can close it and open the third, and here you can also do the same steps. Just untick this and click on the OK, and there are also other drivers you can do the same. So after that, now you can just restart your PC and check back, and if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. Go to your Windows side, type the camera, right click on it and open its app settings. So when its app settings was open, here you need to just little scroll down and you will see the option to reset. So by clicking on the reset and again click on the reset. So by resetting this, camera does not affect any of your data or photos and images. So you can just reset it and then you can check back if this fixes your problem or not. And if this does not fix your problem, then you can go to the next solution. Just right click on your start and you will see the option of device manager and open that. So once it was open, here you need to just search for the camera and just double click on that and you will see the integrated webcam. So you can just right click on it and click on the update driver and click on the search automatically for updates. And here if there is any update, you can install from here, and if it says the best driver is already installed, then you can close, right click on it and disable it, click on the yes. So after it will be disabled, now you can just right click on it again and click on the enable device. So by enabling this, you can check back if your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can right click on it again, click on the update driver, and here click on the browse my computer for drivers, and here click on the let me pick from a list, and then you can click on the next. So now it is installing driver and Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So after that, now you can just close it and check back, and if your problem is not fixed after this solution, then you can try the next solution will definitely fix your problem. So this will definitely fix your problem because this solution is very effective. You can go to Windows search and type the services, and now services will be come up. Just open the services in your system. So when it was open, now here you need to just click on the first service you are seeing, and then you can press the W and keep pressing the W until you find the Windows License Manager service. So now guys, you are seeing I will find the Windows License Manager service, and now you can just right click on it and go to its properties. And now here you need to just search for its startup type and make sure startup type was automatic. And if it's selected to manual, then you can select it to automatic, click on the stop and then click on the apply. And then you can just start the service and then click on the OK, and then you can just close it and just restart your PC. So by restarting, your problem is 100% fixed. So if yes, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.